This is the Bright House Network Stadium, home of the UCF Knights football team. Although it's fun to cheer on our favorite football team, these games are associated with a lot of risks. Some of these risks include inclement weather, alcohol abuse, dehydration, and crowd control. We believe that these risks are not properly addressed, and in order to ensure the safety of fans, we have implemented a training program.
As previously stated, one of the risks at UCF football games includes weather. This can be rain, wind, thunderstorms, and even lightning. If instructions are not followed to exit the stadium in this type of emergency, accidents such as slipping or falling on wet surfaces is likely to happen. There is also the likelihood of getting struck by lightning. To eliminate this risk, all attendees should listen to announcements made, not ignore reverse 911 calls or texts, and take caution when exiting.
A second risk associated with UCF football game is alcohol abuse. With such a use getting festivity prior to the game, it is evident that people will be overly intoxicated. This can lead to dehydration, passing out, fighting, or even death. To eliminate this risk, it is important to know your limit when drinking. Be advised that all UCF personnel, including employees, first responders, security, and law enforcement, will be trained to identify alcohol issues and have the power to not grant you entrance to the game and even eject you. They will also be strategically placed in a zoning system to avoid altercation and response to them.
A rowdy crowd can lead to fighting and a crowd moving as one, which are both dangerous. When patrons do not obey the rules to stay calm and not disturb the crowd, injuries can happen. With this new training program, first responders, police, and security will be trained in a zoning sectoring system throughout the stadium to identify the fights in early stages and remove the individuals causing the disturbance. They will also be trained to calm down a crowd through the use of less lethal ammunition if it gets to a point where the crowd does not stop fighting and causing violence.
One final risk to consider at UCF football game is dehydration. Football season is in Florida very hot. Attendees are already dehydrated when coming to the game. The heat, close quarter, and previous jingling can lead to people passing out, blurry vision, headache, and potential unconsciousness. When you ignore the sign that your body is telling you there's something wrong, you risk to fall in other people or down the stands, resulting to injuries. Vendors will now be trained to walk around the stand with free bottle of waters. They will also be trained to identify anyone who appears to be suffering. They will call for help and wait with such a person until medical helps arrive.
It is important to heed warning signals that lightning is near and follow indicated procedures. Know your limits of alcohol consumption and act responsibly. Don't overconsume and let yourself get out of control. Drink lots of water and don't spend too much time in the sun to avoid dehydration. Lastly, don't disrupt the people around you by instigating fights. By following this instructional program, users can mitigate potential emergency situations at football games. Have fun respectably and enjoy the game.